Experiment number 7, first order low pass, high pass and band pass filter. So main aim of the experiment is to design and realize op-amp based first order Butterworth low pass and high pass and band pass filter. So these are the required components, and the design values are given for the low pass, high pass and the band pass filter, and the circuit is connected like this. So the simple resistors and capacitors are used to make the low pass filter circuit. And initially here input is 0.5 volt peak to peak and 1 kilohertz frequency. So let us see first the first order low pass filter. So first order low pass filter, so the graph or the values are like this. So initially we are getting the constant values, then the values are decreasing. So first here the circuit is made like this. All the capacitor, resistors and ICs are connected. So initially 0.5 volt and 1 kilohertz frequency is set here, and the input given is the sine wave. So when you connect the CRO to the output terminal, so input signal is sine wave. So when you give 0.5 volt 1 kilohertz frequency along with the sine wave input, you will get the amplified sine wave output also. So the experiment is to vary the frequency value and you have to note down the output voltage. So based on that you have to plot the graph. So let us vary the frequency. So for 100 hertz we are getting the output like this, 2 into 0.5. Then I'll vary the frequency here. So you can see the variation. So frequency will be keep on increasing. So as you increase the frequency, your output will be like this. So you can see here your output value is continuously decreasing. So as the frequency is varied, output value is decreasing. So that is a low pass filter, and you are getting the values like this. For the 100 volt you will get the constant voltage 1 volt. Then as you increase the frequency, your voltage value will be decreasing and finally you will get the 0. The next first order high pass filter. So you can see the circuit, the changes is here initially for the low pass, here the resistor is connected. For the input the resistor is connected, and here capacitors are connected. So those two resistor and capacitors are interchanged in the high pass filter. So the same 0.5 volt input is given and 1 kilohertz frequency. So here I am getting the input and output, both input and output like this. So input, this is the input I am getting here, and this is a output. So initially output value will be less and later it will be continuously increasing and remains constant. So let us see the output. So even the procedure in the high pass filter also same. So you have to vary the frequency, so your output value will be changes. So here I am increasing the voltage value now, so you can observe the CRO. So I am increasing here, so your output value is also increased. So you can observe in the CRO. So then later it remains constant. So this is a experiment, and you are getting the values like this. So later you can see output voltage as 0.8 volt. So the graph decreasing value, then later it remains constant. Next, third circuit is band pass filter. So band pass filter is a combination of both high pass and the low pass. So the first part here, it is a high pass filter, and the second part is the low pass filter. So even the output also we should get in the same manner. For the high pass filter, initially the value will be decreasing, then it will remains constant. Then for the high pass, initially constant, then the value must be decreasing. So here the same input 0.5 volt and the frequency 1 kilohertz we have set, and we are getting the input like this and even the output. Both input and output we are getting. So I'll switch off the input part. So here initially, so I'm keeping in the lowest frequency, nearly 100 1 kilohertz. So I'll vary the frequency here. You can observe the waveform. So initially it is increasing, so it remains constant, then it should start decreasing. So you can see the frequency is decreased. So frequency values I am varying here. So value was constant here, and then later it is decreasing. So I am getting the values like this for the band pass filter. So initially increasing, then remains constant 2 volt, then it is decreased to